If this your first time harvesting sweet potatoes, then this video is for you.
Grasshoppers black with smoke jump up into my face. This big river shows with hope.
Hey guys, I'm the Old Gardener, and welcome to the Green Thumb Garden channel. If this your first time at this channel, subscribe now and like this video. Today's video is going to be when and how to harvest sweet potatoes. When to harvest your sweet potatoes. Okay, so when you see your vines are bloom like this one, okay, then it's time to harvest your sweet potatoes. You just want to rake the vines back. Rake the vines back, see, to get to your sweet potatoes. Once we rake the vines back, we're going to dig them up. See what we have. Okay? I'm going to cut them. You see, I'm here to cut them away. And there's a sweet potato right there out of the ground. Okay, I'm just going to take this area out and dig this area up so we can see what we have. Your shovel and reach down there. Be careful, don't damage the sweet potato. So you see, this is what we have in that area there. So you want to take them off, clean them up, let them sit for about a week, let them sweeten up, clean them up. And there you are. We'll get the rest of these out. See what we have. Let's try one more. Look at this. Look at that. Take these boys and clean them up. Let them sit. Look at how large that one is. Let them sit for about a week. Let them sweeten up. Good evening. Okay. See you in the next video.
Cut the sky up, pull it down. Cut it up so it's tight. So the sky